Welcome, Grade 12 scholars, to the International Online School. Today, we are excited to explore Chapter 16 of our physics course, Physics of Solids, meticulously designed according to the Federal Board of Pakistan's curriculum and standards. Let's begin with physics. Let's dive into Chapter 16, Physics of Solids, an essential aspect of physics. In this overview, we dive into structure of solids, deformation in solids, behavior of springs, modulus of elasticity, force extension graphs, ultimate tensile stress and deformation, energy bands in solids, classification of materials based on energy bands, superconductors, magnetic materials, Curie point and ferromagnetic substances, hysteresis laws, magnetic field strength and magnetizing current. Let's explore each of these points covered in this chapter. Students will distinguish between the structure of crystalline, glassy, amorphous, and polymeric solids. This lesson involves understanding the arrangement of atoms or molecules in different types of solids. In next lesson, students will describe that deformation in solids is caused by a force, and in one dimension, the deformation can be tensile or compressive. Understanding the behavior of solids under external forces is crucial for material science. In next lesson, students will describe the behavior of springs in terms of load extension, Hooke's law, and the spring constant. This lesson involves understanding the relationship between force and deformation in elastic materials. In next lesson, students will define and use the terms Young's modulus, bulk modulus, and shear modulus. This lesson introduces the different measures of a material's response to deformation under different types of stress. In next lesson, students will demonstrate knowledge of force extension graphs for typical ductile, brittle, and polymeric materials. This involves interpreting graphs that represent the mechanical behavior of materials. In next lesson, students will become familiar with ultimate tensile stress, elastic deformation, and plastic deformation of a material. This lesson involves understanding the stress-strain behavior of materials under applied forces. In next lesson, students will describe the concept of energy bands in solids. This lesson introduces the concept of energy bands and how they relate to the electrical conductivity of different materials. In next lesson, students will classify insulators, conductors, and semiconductors based on energy bands. Understanding the electrical properties of materials is crucial for electronics and material science. In next lesson, students will become familiar with the behavior of superconductors and their potential uses. This lesson involves understanding the unique properties of superconducting materials, including zero electrical resistance. In next lesson, students will distinguish between dia, para, and ferromagnetic materials. They will describe the concepts of magnetic domains in a material, explaining how the arrangement of magnetic moments influences the material's magnetic behavior. In next lesson, students will explain the Curie point and classify hard and soft ferromagnetic substances. This lesson involves understanding the temperature at which certain materials lose their ferromagnetic properties. In next lesson, students will describe hysteresis laws, exploring the energy dissipation in magnetic materials during cycles of magnetization and demagnetization. In next lesson, students will synthesize from a hysteresis loop how magnetic field strength varies with magnetizing current. Understanding the hysteresis loop provides insights into the magnetic properties of materials under changing magnetic fields. With recorded lessons to go back to, easy-to-read notes, quizzes, practice tests to get you exam ready, online sessions with instructors, question forums, and live support from the International Online School team will make sure you're well prepared. Completing this course means not just achieving good grades, but excelling and aiming for A+ results. Your dedication and hard work will pave the way for success. So, Let's begin with Chapter 16 and embark on this enriching journey of physics, crafted to ensure your success at the International Online School.